shape.
Hi friends, just another day of joining Cranky's cults. Me, Minx, and Cranky here at his castle. Woo! Domination!
Game begin.
Hey people, this is Jilly Beans with a tutorial. I'm going to show you how to resize and move around your properties boxes because it took me way too long to figure out. Let's get to it. Alright, so there are two ways you can do this. So the first way is you take your controllers, if you happen to have it close by, and you hover until it highlights yellow. When you see it highlighted yellow, you can grab it with both your triggers and move it up and down. That's simple. Took me way too long to figure this out. The other way is, let's say your properties box is way over here and you have a bunch of stuff in your way and you don't want to go that far. Well, what you can do is point to it and then you'll see reel out, reel in, scale down, and scale up, which is exactly what it is. So you want to reel it in, you push down your thumbstick and it brings it to you. You push to the right and it scales it up. Push to your left and it scales it back down. So much easier. As I said, it took me way too long to figure this out. I was going all over the map, chasing after boxes, getting a great workout. This makes it so much easier. Great shortcut. That's all. Thank you for joining this short tutorial. Hope that helps someone. Took me way too long to figure out, and now doesn't have to take you long at all.
Level complete.
Hey people, this is Jilly B.
Soccer.
Hi,
Oh, and I draw a
guys.
better dick than you.
Just me and Minx here looking like a soccer mom, don't you know? Like and subscribe.